Hello, you divine, infinite humans. You are all that is, ever has been, and ever can be. You are divine, infinite source. And I'm here to talk to you a little bit about nature. Yes, nature. And especially for those spiritual people, nature and ascension are intimately connected. We are made up of the same things, of the cosmos, of the stars, but also of our Mother Earth. Our Mother Earth and our bodies are intricately connected. And if you have noticed, there is definitely an agenda to stop Mother Earth in her ascension, because she is ascending too. In fact, everything is ascending with her. But there has been so much destruction, so much pollution, so much disturbances, and on a deeper, darker level, there's been a lot of very negative, satanic rituals practiced on her energetic lines, her chakras, her pressure points, that have been intentionally created to thwart her ascension, as with us, which is why it's a little bit of a rocky journey. But here I am in nature, as you can see. I'm walking down to my favorite spot on the planet, Caparama. I just left my villa in Sicily, where they're pruning the olive trees now. And I know a lot of people tell you earthing, grounding with nature. Yes, that's the first step. That's the baby step. That's kindergarten. You need to commune and be one. You need to realize that everything is alive. Everything is alive. Everything, every grass, every piece of blade of grass, every leaf, every tree, every cactus, every branch, everything is consciousness. And it is, you are one with it. So I think we have been taught, I know I have, camping for me was going in a 3 slide out RV. And I also admit, I like to have electricity and heat and cooling. I need all that stuff. But I'm also starting my horta. It's called a horta here, a little garden. I can't wait. And things grow all year round here in Sicily. And it's so wonderful. You don't have to worry about GMOs being carried by the wind, or you don't have to worry about all that stuff. Yeah, there's some chemtrails, but hey, we can deal with it. The food is really good. The produce is amazing. I've got melangrano, pomegranate, fig trees, lemon trees, orange trees, and they're pruning the olive trees. And this olive oil, guys, you don't even get that stuff if you're in the States. They don't send this stuff out. It's so incredible. So I'm telling you that we are one with nature. And this is what's the place today? Anyway, it's kind of an overcast day today, but it's still a beautiful day. And it's a good day to think about how you can be more with nature. I think this Babylonian money magic system has really got us off track, because, you know, everyone's spending interesting things. That's really low. Okay, I don't even know where they're going. There's no airport there. Interesting. Okay, so sorry. So anyway, bye. I think instead of spending your money, the guy's landing there and there's no airport there, sorry. Instead of spending your money on plastic stuff from China, buy some land, plant some seeds, grow something, especially trees. Trees deter 5G, by the way. And you know, you find out money doesn't, you don't need that much money when you are living in harmony with the land. It is so fulfilling. So get back to nature. Ciao for now.